So the most impression is about the capabilities of MagLab, because we are able to identify the molecular composition of our water samples. So this is the only place in the world where we can do it with such precision. Now this is actually the first time ever when Ukrainian water was analyzed on such magnetic instruments. So really the most important, the most useful outcome for me, this is the connection that we built here. In terms of research, in terms of scientific cooperation, I see that we will have definitely further collaboration on water quality and just in general water studies, because in Florida you have here really unique conditions of groundwater formation, groundwater pollution and groundwater use. So in Ukraine we have different conditions, but the impacts, the anthropogenic inputs to water and the necessity of the water preservation, to ensure water quality, water safety. So this is in our common tasks. So we are looking forward to the applications, joint applications for joint projects with the College of Engineering, with the Department of Earth Science, for example. So a lot of things we have in common in our research, in our scientific activities. But what was unexpected for me, this is just seeing myself the really beautiful nature of Florida, really, in terms of the springs. So as a geologist, as an environmental specialist, I really was impressed, and it was really unexpected for me, the uniqueness of such geological conditions in Florida. So it's really impressive when you can touch these natural sites, just and then you how to say, immersed to them. So actually you are totally understand how it works, and not just walking around and taking photos and seeing from the distance. So this is really exciting, that you can be connected with nature in such a way. And all these national parks, state parks, so they have done impressive job for the sustain and preserve and keep this biodiversity. So, it's frankly speaking a rare situation when you have such vast areas of pristine ecosystems that are carefully preserved. This is really cool. I now see that this is really a wonderful way and possibility to really build collaboration, to build real collaborations. But having us here and being here, this is really another level of understanding and building the collaboration with the experts that are working in the same scientific area. So I'm sure that this is really useful opportunity for Ukrainian scientists to build real collaboration with the American universities or American researchers. So BridgeUSA program is indeed very effective way to make a starting point, because we had only 1 month here. Yeah, definitely when you have this starting point for cooperation. And this program gave us this starting point. This was the most valuable outcome from this program for us and for our universities. One side of the bridge was built from American consuls, and the U.S. Embassy in Ukraine. But here in FSU, Ukraine Task Force is building the next part of the bridge. And why we had really valuable results and outcomes and experience after this scholarship of this program, because we built this bridge from two sides simultaneously, because this ensures that we will go to Ukraine with the really tangible outcomes, tangible results. So all these achievements we'll get because of these two sides of the bridge, from American side at FSU and from Ukrainian side. We as the participants of the program, and of course the American consuls who coordinate this program. How I see this bridge and how it was built, so this is my understanding, this is my impression of what we have done here. And, what really impressed me as a Ukrainian, that I feel the support for our country, for us, in FSU by this Ukraine Task Force activities and people who are gathered in one group who really in different ways support Ukrainians, support Ukraine not only by saying we are with you, only we support Ukraine, but they really do. During all our stay, we felt this support from all the people, but really we see that Ukraine Task Force is a kind of center which encourages and produces a lot of new connections between America and between USA and Ukraine. So this is really encourages. This kind of support really makes us feel much better and confident that we are not alone, and we are supported in the world, especially in USA.